So consider you're running ads on Meta or LinkedIn or Google, and when a B2B prospect lands on your landing page, you have like 3 to 5 seconds to convince them to actually make a decision to scan your page and watch your VSL or try to book a demo or try to start a free trial or so on. So 90% of them will never scroll past the very top of your screen. This is what we call the above the fold section. And this section, the above the fold section, also called the hero section in technical terms, need to be actually perfect. It needs to be so attractive, so perfectly done that it should literally, make sure that your prospect actually stops for a second, tries to analyze what's there, and then tries to scan the entire landing page by scrolling past it. So most SaaS founders actually destroy their conversion rate right there. They make two mistakes. They give the prospect too many options, so they use vague headlines. That's the number one mistake. Your headlines need to convey the outcome first. I recently made a video about this as well. You can check it out. Today we are going to fix your entire above the fold hero section. I'm going to show you why you need to actually delete your navigation bar, that little bar at the top. And I'm going to give you 3 copy-paste formulas to just write a world-class headline as well. It will be so simple, you can do it in 10 minutes by auditing your current landing page. So let's get started. The formula 1 is literally, do you have links for... So actually let's first talk about the attention ratio. So what you're doing here is, if you have links for about us, your careers page, your pricing page, your blog page, your case studies page, your demo page, and so on, if you give your prospect options, they're going to hop from one page to another and actually never make up their mind and just click away after some time. So if you're making a landing page for your ad or for your cold email, even for your cold email, your goal is to have like just one landing page for one goal. And that goal needs to be what you're actually wanting the prospect to do. So if you want them to start a free trial, your button should only say start a free trial. If you want your prospect to book a call, book a demo, that should be the only outcome of that page. That should be the only button that the user can click on that page. So if you give them too many options, the navigation bar with too many options, they will literally forget why they came here. Since they are coming from ads, they were relaxing, they were actually scrolling social media. If they are scrolling social media and they land on your landing page, they will actually forget why they came why they came to your landing page if you give them too many options. So you just need one goal, one option, one CTA, call to action. So, you're paying what, $15-20 for a click? It could get quite expensive. You're paying anywhere from $5 to $20 for a click. So if you distract them from your CTA, from the one primary goal of booking a call, you're actually wasting money. So remove the nav bar, remove any other links that you have, and make sure that it's only one thing that the prospect can do on your landing page. Then after we have removed the distractions, your prospect's eyes are now locked on your headline. So vague statements like, the ultimate growth platform, the ultimate analytics platform, and so on. You need specific formulas. These headlines will not cut it. So headline formula number 1 is like the magic wand. So get X outcome in Y time frame without Z pain. That's like the number 1 way of writing a headline. So launch your B2B app in 30 days without writing a single line of code. It's like, this is like the best way to actually frame your headline. So another example, book 40 appointments in 30 days without hiring expensive marketing agency or so on. So it's you have to convey the outcome, specify, agitate the pain, and specify the time frame, all in one sentence, one concise sentence. I hope this makes sense. So formula 2 is actually about the transformation that your prospect can expect from your software or from your agency, if you're about that. You need to show the transformation. So this template is basically go from X frustrating old way to automated new way. Y is the automated new way. So go from manually doing Zendesk tickets to doing it with AI, like AI powered auto routing and so on. So go from chasing unpaid invoices in spreadsheets to collecting 100% of your revenue automatically and so on. So you get the idea, right? So you have to tell them what they're doing wrong currently and give them a better way to do the same thing. This is the formula number 2, and the formula number 3, the last one that I want to show you, is like being aggressive. So if you're going for a very challenging claim, if you have case studies, that even better. You can actually call out the broken status quo. So template for this can be like, stop doing what's the norm in the industry, what everybody else is doing, what all of your competitors are doing. Stop doing X, let's do Y instead. So for example, stop paying freelancers $5,000 per month for bad leads. Let AI agents build your pipeline for a fraction of the cost, and so on. So you're actually saving people money and time and making it less of a headache for them. So stop doing X being the current norm that everybody is following, that's actually broken and outdated, and you give them a better way to do that instead. That's all of the 3 formulas that I wanted to discuss today. I hope this makes sense. And yeah, let me know in the comments if there's anything else that you want clarification on. And strip away the distractions. It's very easy to audit your landing page with these fixes. And go to your site today, just remove your nav bar and just test one of the headlines from these tips. Beta test it. Test one headline, tweak one word or like 2 words, and then test that and see which one converts better, and start iterating that way. And your cost per lead will definitely drop, and that's the point, right? You want to be as cost effective when running ads for your startup or your agency as possible. So subscribe for more B2B marketing tips. And if you want me and my agency to come into your business and build high converting landing pages, email sequences, and all of the top to down funnel for going to market, just book a free strategy call in the description. That's the first link in the description. That's how you actually get a full breakdown of what AI tools we use and how we'll be able to get you up and running in less than 7 days. So I hope this was helpful. Book a call if you're keen, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.